In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a glow outline to an image in Canva. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to give your images a glow outline so that it gives it that special touch or that special pop. Sometimes we want to give our images that special pop. So I'm going to be using banners that I've already created for my TPT store previously, and I'm just going to demonstrate how to add that glow. Now, once you insert your images onto the Canvas document here, you can select the image and go to Edit Image and remove the background. So I've already removed the background from my images, and this is how you do that right here. Now, in this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you how to use the shadows effect to get the glow. Okay, so if I scroll down, you have several options under shadow. I'm going to just arrow this over so you can see the different options. But the option that we want to use is glow. So if I click on glow, you're probably like, okay, nothing much happened, right? Well, if you select your controls, which is the 3 lines right here in the center, it's going to give you some other options of what you can do. Right now, the color is black, so maybe change that to white or something else. Maybe if you want a different color. I think I'm going to leave it on this color for my example here. But you might want to take the blur down some. I'm going to put mine on 1, but then I'm going to take the transparency all the way up, and you could leave the size. I'm going to leave mine on 4, but you can also make that size thicker if you want to. I'm going to bring mine back down to about there. So notice that glow that I have now on my image, and remember, you can use whatever color you want. Now, let's say that I wanted another outline. And by the way, for some reason, this has gone blurry on me, but that's okay. I'm going to keep going. Let's say I wanted another outline on top of this. I can select the image and click Edit Image again and click on my controls, and I can do a second outline. I'm going to choose this color this time, and I'm going to go up to my blur. I think I'm going to bring it down to 2 this time. I'm going to bring up my transparency. And then, of course, there's my size. I'm going to increase the size just so you can see that there are 2 different colors here. So just like that, I've created a glow outline on my image. Don't forget to click Apply. And I'm hoping that it doesn't, it went blurry on me again, but that's okay. I'm going to move on down. I'm going to click on this image. And then I'm going to select glow. I'm going to click on my controls. I'm going to change the color here. Let's do this color this time, this fuchsia looking color. And then let's go to, we'll leave it on 3. We'll bring it up a little bit. I'm going to bring this down. So it has a slight glow. Let's see if it, oh man, every time I hit apply, it's changing. You all, I think it's just the resolution of my images that's making it do that. So just be careful. See, now it's back to normal up here. So maybe it'll get right here in a second because this one is fixed. But this is how you add a glow outline to your images. I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to select glow. We're going to hit the controls. I don't want it to be black. Let's go with this color. And let's go here. Let's bring it all the way up. And we'll hit apply. All right, so hopefully you guys, this was helpful to you. So if you want to add that special pop to your pictures, please do so. So this concludes the video tutorial on how to add a glow outline to an image in Canva. If you are loving this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.